Closing market comments for Monday, January the 4th. Grains opened sharply higher last night, continue to rally through the evening, making new highs again as they did on Thursday, before backing off later on in the morning and into the morning session. As the day progressed, we did rally back to close higher across the board on the grains, but nowhere close to where the highs were. At one time, corn was up 13, beans were up 33 to 35 cents, and wheat was up about 10. So as you can see, a strong rally during the night, but failed to hold. Volume continues to be fairly heavy today. In the weather, Argentina continues to be dry. Brazil is getting some rain showers, but not a good heavy rain that goes across the whole area. On the U.S., the plains did get some moisture over the weekend, rain and snow, which are helping the wheat crop, especially out there, but not ending the drought by any means. Argentina planting progress is at 90% today, or in the report today. That's up from 85% on the average. And the corn planting at 81%, that's up from 78% on the average. So about normal progress in both of those at this time. Otherwise, in the markets, we are at 6-year highs. The last time we traded at these levels was June of 2014. So we'll have to see what we can have happen from here, whether we continue to push higher or not. Cash grain movement remains fairly strong, putting pressure on that side of it. But the funds continue to be buyers, and I have not seen the report come out today that will show the fund positions, but I got to believe we're pushing higher than what we were the previous week. Trading last week was a little light with the holiday. We went back to normal trading today with the people coming back from the break. Otherwise, the dollar was about unchanged today at 89.90. Gold was up 45.50, so a really big day in gold. Silver was up 952 points, closed at 27,284. Crude oil was a little stronger early, but sold off on concerns of COVID and the U.S. economy, and closed down $1.19 at 47.33. Stock markets also were down all the way across the board. 405 points down on the Dow, 210 points down on the NASDAQ, and 57 points down on the S&P. Export numbers for last week is shipments, corn at 35.9 million. That's down from 49.4 the previous week, but above last year at 21.7, with 30 to 51 expected and 60.7 needed. We're only at 22% of the forecast number so far on corn. Soybeans at 48 million, down sharply from the 80.9 the week before, but still above last year at 38.2, with 37 to 73 expected and 23.1 needed. We're at 64% on bean shipments to date. Wheat shipment 11.9 million, down from 15.0 the previous week and 15.5 last year, with 11 to 18 expected, 20.9 needed, and the year-to-date number is 546, so 55% of the normal, and that's about on target with where we were a year ago, so very close on wheat. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a good evening.